Hi, I'm Trichologist Carolyn coming to you from our hair salon once again in Brisbane. We're sharing information that, if you can't utilise it here in Brisbane, I want you to take it on board and find it. So we have today a hair breakage treatment, which is amazing. So when we've got hair loss and hair thinning, a lot of the time the actual hair strand itself is compromised, that the layers aren't growing properly. So you might use all sorts of keratin coating treatments or the Absolique and things like that. And I'm finding a lot of them are coating the hair more and actually causing more hair breakage. So not only now do we have hair loss and hair thinning, we've got hair breakage on top. So we've been searching for a very safe system to rebuild the hair more from the outside back in, and it hasn't been possible in the past. So what we found is this new OWAY range. It is a professional service that you must do in a hair salon, and you may need to repeat it once a week for a period of 4, 6 or 8 weeks depending on the level of breakage. Now when hair has actually split, meaning you've got a fork in the hair, you cannot glue that back together. That needs to come off. So we would work with the hair repair treatments, rebuilding the structure, and obviously doing some split end trims as well. The system also includes infrared energy, so we do a lot of laser hair loss treatments, so to be able to incorporate infrared energy back into rebuilding the hair with no heat is very, very, very exciting. So we are offering this hair rebuilding in clinic. We're happy to offer you more information. Again, it's called OWAY Hair Rebuilding. We're offering 15-minute free consultations to talk to you about whether it is suitable to your hair and what would be required as well. But remember, if the hair texture has changed, then most of the time the problem is where it's growing from. So just working on the hair is treating the symptom, not actually the cause. So we would always uncover the cause using our microscope and our trichology consultations. These extra hair services that we're now offering is to help you as you're coming through hair regrowth to manage your hair at the same time. So as always, for any questions on our hair loss treatments, about our other services, or just to say hello, drop me an email. It's info@absolique.com.au.